say beloved, you did have the opportunity to be yourself on yourself. You say me I deal with, don't lose yourself. I'm self-man. No, no, but you say, and yourself that you know, him take on the world and the ideology. Bro, that you know, you can't confront the world and the ideology, you know, beloved. You see,
another world that is
no, that's why the Bible said be in the world, but not
that
of the world.
that's why I'm in side eye. We just watch world, so I just take side and I watch it. So
Are you in it, but not of it?
I'm going to go on for myself and we just go on living it. Yeah, well, Daddy, you look for me, say, I can't see myself.
You know, no man has ever seen himself.
Alright. But
when you look in the mirror, it's not yourself, it's a reflection of yourself. They say if you was to actually see yourself, you probably wouldn't recognize you.
Yeah, I believe that.
Yeah.
Sometimes I can't recognize myself. I'm gonna look for myself so long sometimes.
man, you should ain't talking metaphorically.
Sometimes you can't find a class. When I put up in our room and can't find a class.
When they say they think you can't see yourself. And then again, when the Bible was written back then, you didn't have mirror.
No man, they don't have mirror all them.
Say know yourself.
Let me go to my water.
They say no, they say it's really know yourself. That's what it's really saying.
Right, but man has
But I mean, no man, you can't see yourself. Because that's why you look back and see me and you look back and see me.
But even physically, even if it's not talking that, even if that is not talking that, no man has ever seen his own face.
Yeah.
Seen a reflection of your face. Right, but you've never seen your own
You
face.
can't see it, take out your
Okay, that we are saying.
But it's not that what the Bible really
It doesn't matter.
It is saying of it, the inner behavior
that
you
don't matter.
life
That is beside the point.
like
But we are saying
Have you seen yourself?
physically.
Mentally, you spiritually, you have seen yourself.
Yeah, that is it. That is it. You be yourself.
Right.
Right. You be a natural
And
self.
you have the prayer majesty there as it was last year.
Yeah.
Embrace last year. The empress.
Yeah.
You know,
The queen, our mother.
Yeah. Yeah. Be yourself.
me sit there and something them and say, when man a plan, God a wipe out.
Yeah, just say.
But you know say, come my time when the system a plan certain thing and hope say it a go work certain way. They never know say God have a bigger plan. Where supersede for them plan by far. So them just a playing at the plan when him have. Because him a the bigger planner.
Just yesterday.
Him plan you in a film plan, you know. So when you do that,
Texting me that,
yeah, you have to be a film plan.
asking me about how I dealing with the COVID situation.
Yeah.
And I said a lot of people just looking at the whole COVID thing and all of that, but they're not seeing the spirit, the opportunity.
Yeah, the spiritual.
reawakening.
Yeah, them are
That this is giving.
Yeah, you give a chance to talk, give a chance to slow down and talk and see one another and get certain things together.
If God is for us, who is against us?
Yeah.
You can't turn, nobody
There's
can
a spiritual reawakening going on. A lot of people missing it. They're being distracted by this whole virus.
No.
They're not seeing a bigger picture. Just like we said.
God, you got planet in and plan. Can we see it all the while? I mean, no, look on Jonah and the whale, the Jonah effect. Jonah and the whale, Jonah got film plan and I try to film that and God still take him and put him with a, yeah, put him where I want to put him.
Them people that were have government months ago. That set of people that were praise fish, you know.
Yeah.
You never do what you do.
Yeah.
You couldn't do that.
Yeah,
You go there and see a fish spit you out a man and say, yes, we got come.
yeah, I'm fish video. I'm fish that the man look for.
Fish them praise.
So the fish God, yeah.
The fish got
One area there, God.
You want to know that, you can't get to it. Even when I praise you, you still not praise him.
Even so, even Rick now show you that man would always be.
No, but they say that's why. That's why, man. Hey,
Right.
you see that saying there? Yeah, that them saying there. Them saying there. Yes, listen to him. Yeah,
And man will do things.
yeah.
So even in a God plan and they know that and realize that God has done their plan. Having plan, them can't hold it. But for the time being what they're on earth, they might exist. They do things. They come up with things.
Yeah.
I don't know what they smoke become. When I was a child, my mom used to sell household items, clean food. Now we see this COVID thing. When you're 90 and it's COVID. But you come out in the 2019 and 2019 and it has gone back to where you said. They were amplified. She said the amplifier was trying to look me up on Yeah, right now it's a effect. First time this affect, actually the first time it really affect was with Rome against Hannibal or when and them say Hannibal is at Rome gate. Caesar run and get scared. He never enter, he went past. Just because of the word, propaganda. Remember in the beginning there was Jah, just the same word. And the word was Jah. See? So man can manipulate that amongst the weaklings, which is happening now, right? I'm not saying the vaccine is bad or good, I'm not against it, I'm go against the process of it. So if man do go with a clean heart and mind, spiritually, mentally, physically, and do what they do, because God gave them the ability to do things.
So your intuition, so you know.
Take care of your home, because remember, you have the leprosy, and the other man himself, no, but I'm not invited, I'll be a leprosy people on this. And when the man got there and said, "Charles, the man in journey for God, work for me, stop." I want him there and address everybody, save him for save, help out everybody. When I met the prophet said, "I hear me, you have healed die." What do you mean you not do it? You not done your journey. Your journey has been finished. See, because you have healed die, you have nourished die, you have shelter, you have clean die, you have clothes and you have shelter. You know what I mean? So the man has over 7 for God. But that's how a man send you. God stop you as a your journey. See? So you see the dirty mentality, I'm not going to twist it. That I really want to know. Because now, 5 people died of a place in Jackson. I want to know whether you're one of them. People are up there, rule about you. So every time the Prime Minister talks, is vaccine. And as if you take notice, right after he talks about take your vaccine and all of that, the first thing you go to is not tourist thing.
That's all you need.
You see the news, man, if you watch them, man. Anytime they talk on the news about it, then the next thing is either tourists. If it's not tourists, then slip in the sports or overload. They're running, they just make that just break a record at 8. And then you forgot about where they are. And then the next thing, you slip in the tourist thing. Alright. And then slip in, next week you're going to make a speech. Know your mind upon the speech. It's so easy, them a lead, as I call it, the effect. So Hitler going to Rome, the European went there, Paris, him waiting there, second or what them call it. They didn't drop no bomb or shoot up, He just fly over with flyers and drop them. But no, we don't have flyers. We have them.
Internet.
On flyers that.
Connect, so you can send the information.
Just the father. When you say, Caesar said, let's do the Western Germany. And cool them for the Western Germany, we watch them on them Western Germany. And that happened to him. And
Mr. Biobi, you see where I say, one thing me see, make a little world and live in it. Don't pay that world and no mind. You see what I mean? Because me say you can't pay it. The only time Babylon pay you mind when you drop or when you kill somebody, You see when I delay you, them say a man up the sword, a man up the sword, or a man dead up the sword. But them not pay no more mind than that.
What you run the last two holidays, I'm locked down.
You don't know about that?
No, me not
You
about that.
barely see police on the road.
They know that better.
And when you see them park up on side upon them, because them themselves is like, this is crazy. Because, alright, you're locked down the country.
But the man said them not get no food.
You're locked down the country.
Them not get no food. Them not get no food.
Nobody not get no food, we not get no food.
Babylon not get no food.
We not get no food, we not get no food neither.
Not get no food.
We not get no food neither, so we don't.
And we can't depend on them for feed people because we not eat what they eat, You see?
That's our next
No, we
thing.
don't eat what they eat.
And look at even during the lockdown, look at the restaurants that are allowed to be open. It's only fast food. Why the cook shop can't be open? And do delivery
Who own
too?
them? Who own them?
Exactly.
The McDonald's and the Kentucky's are all foreigners, owners.
Yeah.
You might have run one,
Yeah.
but you're not the owner.
You're still
of
under
it.
the franchise.
You're under the franchise.
Yeah.
You're just a son doing it on the franchise.
And you can do whatever you want to.
So
You got rules.
there you go again. Everything. I'm gonna say this someone else. This man, why I'm mad at. I want someone not gonna lie to you. Yeah. I'm married to know.
Yeah.
But what I get mad at,
Yeah.
my independence away.
Yeah, man.
Lock me down for my independence.
Yeah.
But keep dreaming.
I keep dream weekend say, yeah, give me a dream.
Then we keep doing, man.
Free
We keep
dream.
doing name, you know.
And then
keep doing.
exactly
You know,
right
see now when
after
we
the
do
dream weekend,
You know, see now when we keep doing.
Lock down the whole trip. Yeah.
We do so much
Because after dream weekend, everybody have come back to Kingston, go back to Portmore, go back to South Lamar, wherever they go, everybody have
people
go back.
from abroad come into it too and dispersing it within.
When you see the picture, you show where you see the people them, the parties there, you see the people no mask on,
Yeah.
and they're foreigners. Oh, I'm vaccinated.
Yeah.
Stupid. You're vaccinated. You're carrying the disease, the germs. You're breathing it coming out of your pore. Fool, put on the mask because these people don't know they're alright.
Them say, one artist
You gonna carry it.
perform on Dream Weekend, carry back the virus to your father, and your father are back with his life.
I win him again. I'm sorry. But the one time I'm over on the mask and no, sometimes it get somewhere down the line it just get to everybody and then
Yeah,
take off the mask.
Sweat, yeah.
And then right, and I say, must somewhere right there so contracted because he meant. I want to foreigner, I want to foreigner, me talk out to me and come with the thing.
Yeah.
I take out the mask. It's not really, people who wear the mask. Wear the mask, man, not because of your cousin or your brother come from foreign or your mother. Wear your mask, check them, watch them, if you them go, check them, you check again. But take a, because you have a 3-day one, you know.
Yeah.
We tell you in 3 days, say, yo, yeah, you wait in there. My neighbor work, she just got caught. And she just come off a 14 days quarantine. She quarantined herself. She's fully vaccinated. But she come with a positive person. She have with a sick person. Make them sick. But she have the vaccine. She makes her sick. No, she's not sick, but she have it.
Yeah.
But out of respect, as we are talking about love and so, she doesn't go to work for 14 days. Her husband is a contractor. He no come. That is also two of them is in on the yard. Them go buy them groceries, them mask and them come over and them just sit down there. Okay, they can afford it. All the kids them grow up, go buy a fire. They can afford to do that. 1, 2 can't afford it. Every time you say lockdown, police turn to the ghetto for lockdown the ghetto. Get the man out of the store, we're not rich, so we have to go to the store, down at the corner, if you have only got $3,000, $4,000 per week. Well, even if a $30,000, $50,000 is nothing.
Me and one man
For
said,
4 days.
yeah, me and one man said, he buy 14 a mackerel and 4 pound of rice. Imagine that. And that him can afford.
Did you know when you're moving around, we call that active?
Yeah.
You actually eat less than when you sit down on the door. You don't have nothing else to do.
Yeah.
2 things will come out of you.
Yeah.
You eat, put down weight,
Yeah.
or you get stressed. If you get stressed, if you have your woman, your woman will have a problem. If you have family, your family in
Yeah.
So, as again, your way is 2 way. My way, the good way, or you can go on the bad way, go suffer. See that? Simple. That I want, because the poor man, them feel it. Last time we have a detour, go to a place, Tel Aviv, go pick her up downtown.
Yeah.
One place to push jump. I mean, drive down to one lane, then I say, just let me laugh, and I say, damn. You know? So, Mr. Good kind of look black, so hit my light and made out and wind up my window there. Yeah, yo. So you remember take a detour in a man from the police thing, I went black. And I say, alright, my yo. Same time I glance to my left, is a man have a weapon, you know? Push you.
Yeah.
See? Push you. Right. And they get them up, them tired. Come on, Prime Minister is supposed to sit and give them, just stop being so aggressive and so hard with the lockdown.
The whole of them have a touch of Hitler loving, right? You touch politics. Because, you know, some read one book named Nature, no, what name, The Forgotten Planet of Yeah, with that layman missionary book, you know, Nebuchadnezzar book, you know, King of Babylon. And he said politics mean poverty and anarchy and to a
That's what people don't understand.
So you have to change that the name of the good come out there.
It's not that.
A name change them of the world and the word for good come out there. You see?
Come again.
Name.
Come again.
Yeah.
Different team.
Different teaching. Change your name because your name have a whole lot of video. Yeah. Name of places, name of you name. Yeah. So we have to change the name of all politics to politics.
People with the same name.
Yeah.
Them have similar personality.
Similar personality. Yeah.